Hey, Louise here from Louise Ellen Nutrition. Today I wanted to share with you some information about chia seeds. So these are the chia seeds that I use. Doesn't have to be Woolworths ones, just anything that looks like chia seeds because they're all pretty much the same. And chia seeds are a great source of omega-3, and the way they sort of work is you add, say, a tablespoon in water, so maybe about that much water, a third of a cup, and you stir it around until it kind of gets thick and gluggy. So it's like a jelly type thing. And you add that to, you could add some rice milk with it to make like a chia pudding, or you could add it to a smoothie. I often add it to a smoothie, a breakfast smoothie. You can add it to cooking, like baking things. You can add it to muesli. It's so good. Like a really nice way is mixing natural yogurt with that mixture, with the chia seed mixture. And that's really good to have with, I don't know, other things in there. So yeah, give it a try today. It's such a good, if you're not getting enough like omega-3 in your diet, chia seeds is high in nutrients. And like I was saying before, with the omega-3 in there. So it's, yeah, give it a go. It's yummy.